ability, mobility, and productivity to go beyond the ordinary and reach new heights for those who are not willing to compromise and strive for excellence in Snorkel 2100. Special mention should be made of the new Outrigger extension system, its leading element to meet the requirements of large-scale mining construction. The excavator is equipped with intelligent fault monitoring and self-diagnosis system, centralized fire extinguishing system, as well as lubrication. Mechanical removal only affects the targeted weeds and leaves the rest of the ecosystem intact. 372 miles from Bangkok. These excavators can handle. The Kessler 700 series cranes are suitable for medium-sized machinery, crushers, and various terminal structures. The range includes single and double hull modes. Additional equipment can be added from the wide range of Kessler Pro G. The cranes can be equipped with an electronic remote control valve. Model 700 and 700T can also be equipped with mechanical valves with internal open control for devices. In this video, a Model 700 crane is working in close association with a Voltra T195 in a Finnish forestry operation and is mounted on the rear axle of this tractor. One look at these huge tanks of a solar power plant, and it's clear that transporting them can be a real challenge. However, two new AROX trucks with a payload capacity of up to 250 tons were able to cope with this enormous task. The size of the load was truly staggering, and the total weight was nothing to speak of. But the two impressive AROX with 6x6 wheel arrangement, 6-cylinder engine, and 425 kilowatts of power did the job. Before the transportation of this huge load could begin, the team of experts had to carry out a detailed analysis to determine a suitable route. On some parts of the route, detours and temporary traffic routes even had to be organized. The vehicles also achieved their goal by utilizing an important technology that is perfectly adapted to this type of operation, the non-wearable turbo retarder clutch. How often can one machine change an entire work process? With Rattle hydraulic excavators and their attachments, this becomes a reality every day. Armed with everything from grapples to road mowers and even branch cutters, these machines are ready to tackle any job. And the addition of telestick only adds to their already impressive capabilities, extending their reach and allowing them to work even more efficiently. Rattle attachments really do open up new horizons in construction and grounds maintenance. The JF990 from Jekko combines the flexibility of an articulated crane with the reliability of a crawler. This crane stands out from the competition with an outstanding lifting capacity of 21.5 tons despite its compact size. Reaching a working height of 134.5 feet and an outreach of 124.7 feet. The telescopic jib makes it a powerful helper on any construction site. The versatility of the JF990 is wonderful. It can easily switch between electric motor and diesel engine for optimal performance, both indoors and outdoors. The JF990 is ideal for specific lifts in tight spaces and various demanding tasks. Crawler crane with lattice boom, Minotowik Model 18,000 has a lifting capacity of 750 tons. Thanks to its simple assembly and self-assembly capability, a mobile crane with a small lifting capacity is sufficient when assembling the crane. A large selection of maneuvering and fixed jibs, sections, and boom heads allows you to solve many problems in modern construction. Several variants of counterweights provide an opportunity to develop low pressure on the base, thereby ensuring movement with a load on the hook on unpaved sites. How can you make shredding branches not only efficient but also comfortable? The HEM 593R Cobra offers the solution. This machine easily handles brush and wood up to 22 inches, making it the perfect choice for large jobs in the most challenging conditions. What makes the Cobra unique is its automatic transmission, which allows you to move forward without stopping, and the easy two-control system, which makes every action intuitive. Thanks to the centrifugal fan, the overload becomes even on either side. Plus, optional extras including professional tools and the Easy Light lighting system takes ease of use to a new level. The new E7000 SP self-propelled harvester utilizes the latest technology, including the EcoClean system, to maximize control, efficiency, and dust reduction. This harvester can be configured to harvest almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. There is definitely more chain cleaning space than any other harvester. There is a variable speed cleaning fan, and settings are controlled with a joystick. The independent floating pickup head follows the ground contour. And what's more, you get full cab comfort with maximum visibility. You see the high-performance Hudig cable plow, which was created by the two companies, Lyra and Graf Kabelflut. And it really is a cost-effective alternative to laying fiber optic cables. With their own fields of construction, electrical engineering, and communications, the companies can offer complete solutions for broadband expansion in projects of any size. That's why they created their ideal tracked plow for overland installation in different agricultural areas. It is designed just right for laying along transportation routes. With a lifting capacity of 300 tons, the HS8300 HD is one of the largest universal wire rope hydraulic cranes in the world. This machine has been designed specifically for intensive material handling. Accordingly, this model can handle both dragline buckets and various high-volume grapples. The massive, robust steel construction of the crane is designed for high dynamic loads and long service life. The performance of the mining excavator can be increased with the innovative Hacktronic hybrid drive, which is based on the principle of energy recovery. The use of this drive increases handling performance while reducing fuel consumption. In addition to draglines, the machine can also perform other tasks in the area of material handling and excavation. The machines of this series are used for dredging. Are you ready to soar to the heights of construction with innovative Manitex Vala cranes? These powerful mobile cranes, with lifting capacities from 2 to 40 tons, are available in electric, diesel, and hybrid drive, so you can always find the perfect option for any task. Whether you choose a wheeled model for easy maneuverability or a crawler version for stability on rough terrain, every Manitex Vala crane is ready to transform your workflow. With a fixed or swinging boom and many specialized settings, these cranes are designed to meet the unique and challenging requirements. You see, not just a machine, but your key to the world underground. Just look at the Vermeer Trencher, the perfect tool for those who are ready to change the landscape with intelligence and efficiency. Whether you're laying utility lines, installing pipes, or creating drainage systems, this mighty trencher digs its way through the toughest soils. By the way, all of this company's trencher models are unique, each with control features ready to make your work more productive. What do you think about the Steer AS14? You probably didn't even know it was a powerful machine with up to 50 horsepower, designed to handle tough conditions. With the optional Steer scraper bucket mounted on the 939 Fendt Vario, it picks up 494 cubic feet of material in just 15 seconds, while a 23-ton excavator with a 49.4 cubic foot bucket would take more than 3 minutes to operate. With a steer-trailed scraper and a hauling range of 984 to 4,921 feet, it is 3 times more efficient than traditional methods. Mechanical removal is a highly effective method of controlling aquatic weeds. The weeding machine physically removes all plants, including the roots, so weeds cannot regrow. This makes it a long-term solution that gets rid of problems caused by aquatic weeds. Unlike chemical treatments that can kill beneficial aquatic species, mechanical removal only affects the targeted weeds and leaves the rest of the ecosystem intact. This mechanical removal can be tailored to the specific needs of each individual water body. The PowerScreen H6203 horizontal sieve is a machine that is perfect for handling large volumes of sticky and non-sticky materials, as well as the accurate sizing of bulk materials required in many construction contracts. This model is equipped with a new recirculating rotary conveyor for oversized products. The conveyor is used to return material back to the feeder. The technique is ideal for applications such as natural and crust aggregate, coal, iron ore, recycled concrete, and asphalt. Meet the Model 423, the mining dump truck that will transform the way you approach mining. This maneuverable giant with huge wheels and innovative air suspension ensures exceptional handling even in the most challenging conditions. With proven technology and easy wheel scalability, the 423 not only increases operational efficiency, but also offers cost savings of up to 69%. You are not just a dump truck, but the real key to optimizing operations and increasing profitability in quarries. Do you know what you can say about the SPV2? That it is the professional's choice for any application, providing maximum functionality and superior performance. With a unique choice of 7 different sets of levers, engine power, steering configuration, and a host of optional extras, this machine is a great investment. On your screens, you can see what the machine is capable of. The R9800 mining excavators combines adaptability with high productivity. Depending on customer preference, this machine model is available with a Cummins or Liebherr diesel engine. An electro-hydraulic version of the excavator is also available. When paired with a T264, T274, or T284 dump truck, the R9800 is a cost-effective and highly efficient solution for various large-scale mining projects. John Deere, the world's largest manufacturer of agricultural machinery, has presented a new prototype of an electric tractor. It appears that the company intends to revolutionize the world of agricultural machinery. The tractor, named Sesame, is equipped with 130 kilowatt-hour batteries and surpasses all modern agricultural machinery by its quietness. You have to agree, but it looks no less impressive. For a versatile solution that combines the elevator and the mobility of a trailer, Equipter introduces the revolutionary Model 7000. This engineering marvel is easily transportable to any job site, and with its help, you can lift a container of materials up to 25 feet and 5 inches, or use the optional forks to lift up to 23 feet and 5 inches. Controlled remotely, the Equipter 7000 is equipped with various steering modes to ensure precise positioning. Rest assured, the versatile elevator trailer will be your indispensable assistant on any construction site, providing exceptional functionality and flexibility. The Equipter Tow A-Lift is an elevator that can be used in a wide variety of residential and commercial applications, and can work on many types of terrain while being easily towed by a dump truck. The ability to tow this towable elevator behind a standard pickup truck eliminates the need for a trailer or specialized truck for a truck-mounted forklift. The Tow A-Lift remote control system provides 360 degrees visibility during operation, increasing safety and providing visibility of potential obstacles in rough terrain. The intuitive and user-friendly operation of the Tow A-Lift can be quickly mastered by virtually any user. This heavy-duty rail-mounted robot, SLR-150H, from Dango and Dienenthal, has been designed for gripping, turning, lifting, and tilting rings and discs. In addition, its pincers with easily switchable gripping surfaces enable various forging operations. With a choice between manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic integrated SLR control, maximum flexibility is ensured. The heavy-duty robots of the SLR series are indeed the best choice for frequently repetitive handling operations, such as moving forgings between furnace and press, and loading and unloading rotary hearth furnaces. They are specially designed for use in forging and ring-rolling shops. In other words, for heavy loads, high-temperature environments, and applications requiring long reach. First, BRE tire trailer design allows Centurion to transport the most oversized dump truck tires vertically, thereby reducing excessive width. The road train can hold 8 tires in a single trip, and the shelves of each trailer has been configured by ridging, rolling, and pressing, which he says conforms to the shape of the tires. Centurion says the triple drivetrain configuration not only improves safety, efficiency, and productivity, but also reduces the number of drivers and trailers needed for each trip. The Maston Briat 4020 drainage plow is the largest investment ever made by Farm Services Limited in its 75-year history, and it represents the future of the company. It is one of the unique and modern drainage machines in Europe. It is custom built to customer specifications and weighs 32 tons on a 31.5-inch wide, 21-foot-long tracks. The machine installs plastic drainage pipes with diameters of 2.3, 3.15, 3.9, and 6.3 inches to a depth of 71 inches. The Technique has a Volvo Penta TAD 1372VE 4th-stage diesel engine rated at 315 kilowatt, 428 horsepower. The Cat Model 320D is a high-performance, amphibious excavator that features a patented direct-drive multi-synchronous motor system that allows you to dredge while afloat in shallow water. They are better suited for removing silty clay, clearing silted trenches, working in marshes, and shallow water than traditional barge dredges. The amphibious excavator can maneuver and operate on water because the track chassis floats on sealed pontoons. It can even rock or even flip over while excavating without support from below. It is propelled by a double-hulled, boat-shaped buoyancy tank. A gearbox drives the Caterpillar chain, providing free and smooth movement. Its upper structure is a modified excavator, providing a full 360-degree rotation by hydraulic drive. The Volvo FMX is packed with built-in features that make demanding tasks easier. The rugged cab provides improved forward visibility, and cameras can be viewed on the side display for enhanced safety. A traction control panel helps the driver deal with potentially dangerous situations both on and off-road, and the incredible 38-ton bogie greatly enhances productivity by increasing payload. Truly a truck on which to build the future. Safe and fast, its quick installation characterizes this crane. This crane from the company's line of heavy-duty machines has numerous features that increase productivity, provide quick and easy installation, and is easy to use and very reliable. With 90 tons of load torque, a horizontal boom outreach of 113 feet with a jib, and a vertical boom outreach of up to 125 feet, this incredibly reliable crane is ideal for lifting heavy loads over long distances. You see the first compact straight boom SJ crawler elevator unit from JLG. With a platform height of 65 feet 7 inches and 500-pound capacity for 2 workers, a 39-foot horizontal outreach, and versatility, this new piece of equipment is ideal for a wide range of applications, including forestry, painting, general maintenance, electric work, HVAC, and window cleaning at various job sites. Among the significant pluses, for example, the architecture of this new compact track elevator allows operators to reach full height more efficiently, while the track design and the ability to climb gradients of 40% mean this model can climb slopes compared to standard elevators. Do you want to effectively control the loss of thousands of tons of topsoil on your plot of land? No problem, with the Farmer Zerat laser machine. Of course, leveling the fields offers great advantages for areas with such a useful topsoil. And you want to ensure at least 50 to 60% more efficient use of irrigation water. So it is thanks to laser leveling. The technique in front of you allows you to supply irrigation water to each plant equally, which significantly increases the overall productivity of work. The Safe Aero 220 can be controlled, maneuvered, and sprayed from the cab, making it the only single-operator de-icer in the ground support industry. Wireless data transmission and remote diagnostics allow real-time status monitoring and quick changes to improve performance. The Safe Aero 220 also features a powerful ground gun with a 32-foot hose reel for accurate and efficient ice removal processes. Experience a new level of comfort with the Safe Aero 220, the de-icing solution for any operation. The RTH 13.26 is the most powerful rotating telehandler in the world. It has a maximum lift capacity of 85 feet and can lift loads up to 28,600 pounds. When the machine is only partially stabilized, the overall design provides a better load diagram on each side. And when the stabilizers are fully extended, they allow the machine to operate at full height for more than 360 degrees, allowing it to be held on a much wider stabilizing base. It is compatible with a wide range of accessories thanks to its RFID system, which allows it to automatically recognize attachments and create dynamic load charts. This telehandler is the ideal solution for numerous requirements in the construction and manufacturing sector. Raptor Rover is revolutionizing the deployment, changeover, and retrieval of the Roadquake 2F TPRS system. With Raptor, Roadquake is now ideal for use in most short-term, short-haul, and mobile operations. Workers operate the Raptor from the comfort of their vehicle and no longer deploy and retrieve the Roadquake 2F TPRS manually. The risk of surface injuries that can be caused by lifting objects such as the Roadquake is also reduced. The unit on wheels expands the practical use of the Roadquake 2F TPRS in work zones and can provide portable, reliable protection for workers. The Raptor is attached to the front of the vehicle. The rear of the vehicle is free for other protective equipment, such as a truck or trailer-mounted attenuator, TMA. The Mulag Eco 1200 Plus mower is designed to minimize the negative effects of the combine of plants and forest fauna. This new vehicle will effectively cut excess grass on roadsides where there are gullies, ditches, holes, and other irregularities. The grass cuttings will enter a pipeline, which in turn can be connected to a trailer. Improvement of the disc mowing principle by horizontal mowing with small blades has resulted in a reduction of the contact surface of the cutting blades. The blades used in the mowing process are designed in such a way that no suction effect is created from below. Thus, the new characteristics are similar to those of a beam mower, but with the added advantage of a free cut. Cleaning the truck at the manned sign-in station prevents wood debris from falling onto the road and thus increases traffic safety. Thanks to automation, the driver also does not have to climb onto the roof of the truck to clean the platform with a brush. The system also makes it easier to clean the surrounding area. Thanks to the manned sign-in cleaning station, truck turnover times are reduced because it is the automated equipment that does the cleaning. The truck passes directly through the station when leaving. In order to save energy, the fans only run when needed, but during peak hours they can also be switched to continuous mode. The wood residues can later be used for incineration. Need an innovation in firewood harvesting? The mounted wood splitter for mini excavators. It's not just an addition to your machine, it is a revolutionary tool that will bring pleasure from every split log. With it, you will forget about hard work and tiring hours of work, because its efficiency and maneuverability make the process of cutting firewood fast and easy. No matter how large the log you have, the wood splitter will handle it instantly, leaving behind only perfectly split firewood. It's worth remembering the 1980s when the Difco turf cutter first burst onto the scene, revolutionizing the world of peat extraction and changing the landscape of manual labor forever. This ingenious attachable turf cutter ushered in a new era, delivering high efficiency with a 9 to 11 tons per hour output. Imagine a leap forward from debilitating manual labor. With a choice of cutting blades adapted to different peatland depths, from shallow to premium black peat, the Difco turf cutter provides the perfect fit for any customer's needs. Not to mention the hydraulic pressure relief valve and chain protection, which ensures that even unexpected obstacles won't be a problem. It's not just a machine, it's a revolution in peat production. The DAF225X is an industrial-strength forest crop cutting and mulching system that can be mounted on most compact loaders or other specialized forestry machines. DAF brush cutters and mulchers are designed for vegetation control. Protective rings that limit the size of the bites significantly reduce the risk of blade holders breaking. Heat-treated, bolted forged knives that provide maximum resistance to impact and abrasion can be sharpened directly on the unit. The technique has a hydraulic pusher option, which is particularly useful when dealing with older trees, as it is a reliable way of indicating where larger trees will fall when they are felled. The Wallenstein model WP525 is an easy-to-use and reliable wood splitter that greatly increases production while reducing physical labor. With it, you'll be able to cut logs up to 16 inches in diameter full dent and lift them up a ramp, so your manual intervention in the process is virtually minimized. The technique has a self-contained engine and Honda hydraulics, and towing it is simple and easy behind a car or ATV. The wood chipper is equipped with Torflex suspension, which is designed to absorb bumps in the road for a smoother towing experience. Need an innovation in firewood harvesting? The mounted wood splitter for mini excavators. It's not just an addition to your machine, it is a revolutionary tool that will bring pleasure from every split log. With it, you will forget about hard work and tiring hours of work, because its efficiency and maneuverability make the process of cutting firewood fast and easy. No matter how large the log you have, the wood splitter will handle it instantly, leaving behind only perfectly split firewood. The complex is designed for resistance butt welding of rails with cross-sectional area from 21.3 feet squared to 32.8 feet squared in the field during repair and construction of railroad and streetcar tracks. The base of this complex is a Volvo car chassis, which is equipped with a railroad track with bogies that provide movement on the railroad track, driven by the friction of car wheels on rails with a width of 4.98 or 4.7 feet. The truck body houses an automotive diesel generator, welding machine, pumping station, control cabinet, hydraulically powered hoist, and auxiliary equipment. The All-John 580CL is a full-featured, twin-cylinder vehicle stacker pickup capable of efficiently processing more than 20 to 25 end-of-life cars, vans, and pickup trucks, including engines, transmissions, and undercarriage. Power is provided by a proven Volvo Penta Tier 4 final diesel engine or electric motor. The comfortable, climate-controlled cab features an exclusive monitoring system that allows the operator to monitor machine functions as well as see the bearing function in real time. The MVF-5 is a multi-purpose, heavy-duty robotic emergency response system. It serves first responders to perform tasks in the harshest, most challenging, and life-threatening environments. The MVF-5's primary mission is to extinguish fires in extreme conditions, in hard-to-reach, high-risk areas, and to clear roadblocks and debris without directly threatening operators. The self-propelled three-wheeled machine with the latest suction unit is used to clean festival grounds and streets, and in the winter to suck up leaves for various municipalities. The three-wheeled bike, as it is called, is very maneuverable. The location of the suction nozzles on the front of the machine, rather than the rear, prevents the vehicle from pushing the waste into the ground beforehand. The fans provide suction power and dirt pulverization. Due to its small size, the machine is easy to maneuver among the objects at the festival. The machine can unload the waste into a container using a hydraulic tipper. How quickly can the hardest material be cut? With a chain cutter from Denmark, instantly. It's not just a piece of equipment. I'd say it's like a revolutionary tool that transforms work processes. Its power makes it easy to handle any task, saving you time and money. Think safety and efficiency. That's what you get with such a powerful machine. Looking for a machine that can easily handle the challenges of challenging construction sites? The K-Tech 1233 is your choice. This economical scraper is designed for maximum productivity in even the toughest conditions, with a 33 cubic yard payload capacity and unmatched maneuverability. Its unique solid welded rigid frame ensures durability and reliability. No matter how limited your job site space is, thanks to its compact size and low ground pressure, the 1233 from K-Tech gets the job done efficiently, making excavation not only easier, but also more economical. EngeCon sweeping rollers. What can we say here? Whether you're sweeping soil, sand, gravel, or snow, the brush roller will quickly become your favorite tool that you simply can't do without. You can use it to clear areas such as road crossings, walkways, streetcar stops, etc., as well as sweep road sand and gravel, clean grass, foundations, rocks, and more. The only limitation is your imagination. A hydraulic motor provides power and a chain drive that allows you to adjust the brush speed. And the open design of the machinery provides unrivaled and easy access for maintenance. Plus, standard polypropylene brushes can be replaced quickly and easily. Thermite firefighting robots are some of the most powerful and reliable firefighting robots on the market. Designed to mitigate life-threatening situations, these tools provide fire suppression, situational awareness, and intelligence gathering for first responders. Operated by belt-mounted remote controllers, users are provided with real-time video feeds, allowing them to traverse dangerous terrain and remove obstacles from their path while enduring extreme conditions. Thermite firefighting robots are important to have on your side in dangerous, high-risk environments. The feed bed of the Moorbark Model 6400 XT horizontal grinder has sloped sides and is 24 inches longer than previous Moorbark grinders with more than 1,000 horsepower. This configuration improves operator visibility for more efficient material loading. The Woodhog model comes standard with a removable return floor in the feed chain to dump excess material and reduce wear and tear. Weighing less than 96,500 pounds and measuring 11 feet 5.5 inches wide, this equipment model features a standard Caterpillar 325L undercarriage and a 23.5-inch dual ground track tracks. The RMV consists of a Fanuc R2000 robotic arm, a Sealmaster Crack Pro 260 sealer, an air-blowing system to remove debris from the road, and an artificial intelligence system consisting of high-resolution cameras and lasers to find and measure cracks. The system is powered by a 480-volt, 3-phase state-line generator. All components are mounted on a Class 7 heavy truck chassis. The RMV requires an operator to drive the truck while a worker stays in the back to monitor sealant application and refill the crack sealant tank. The company claims it can seal faster than a crew doing the job by hand. When the artificial vision system finds and measures cracks, the data is used to map the cracks and send the information to the robotic arm. The driver can watch a monitor that displays the image from the arm's camera. An LED light on the windshield turns red when the driver needs to stop to let the robot work, and turns green when it's time to move. DT-30PM Vityaz is a 2-link tracked all-terrain vehicle with armored protection of the crew compartment. This vehicle is designed for transportation of personnel, military, and technical equipment, transportation of military equipment in particularly difficult road and climatic conditions without any preliminary reconnaissance, and engineering equipment of routes, as well as a base for installation of weapons. The power plant of the vehicle is located on the first link behind the cab. The engine is a 12-cylinder multi-fuel B46 diesel engine. From the engine, the torque is transmitted via a cart shaft to the hydromechanical transmission, and then to the bevel and onboard gearboxes and drive wheels of both links. The complex is designed for resistance butt welding of rails with cross-sectional area from 21.3 feet squared to 32.8 feet squared in the field during repair and construction of railroad and streetcar tracks. The base of this complex is a Volvo car chassis, which is equipped with a railroad track with bogies that provide movement on the railroad track, driven by the friction of car wheels on rails with a width of 4.98 or 4.7 feet. The truck body houses an automotive diesel generator, welding machine, pumping station, control cabinet, hydraulically powered hoist, and auxiliary equipment. Popular Sleipner offers a complete solution for mobilizing crawler equipment. The Sleipner E-Series is designed to move excavators, and the Sleipner DB Series is designed to move rigs, dozers, and other tracked equipment. You can see what they look and work like on your screens as the company's 2022 product line is presented. Brachyplanter P11.A is an excavator-based machine designed for soil preparation, planting, irrigation, and fertilization of eucalyptus seedlings. The brachyplanting head is mounted on a John Deere 200 DLC hydraulic excavator, 119 kilowatts, fully adapted for forestry operations. The brachy machine holds 72 pipes, a carousel. Each pipe is 2.36 inches in diameter. 2 new buckets have been added to the excavator boom to hold up to 39 inches cubed of granular fertilizer. The machine's base modification includes replacing the solid ballast with a 3,500-liter water tank. Behind the water tank, the machine has shells for carrying seedlings to the plot. During transportation, the seedlings are kept moist by a special irrigation system. How can you clean large tunnels? Very simply with the TWG Model 600K flexible cleaning system. The long boom reach and attachments equipped with modern sensor technology, such as the high-pressure washing boom and tunnel cleaning brush, ensure efficient and thorough cleaning. Assembly and disassembly is quick and easy thanks to the container-type twist locks. No additional equipment is required, as the unit has its own support legs. The processes are monitored from the integrated operator's cabin, who is permanently connected to the driver via voice radio. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. The RanchWorks Tandem Drum Aerator is designed from the ground up for pasture aeration and land management. Using Ranch Tech blades, thick-walled steel construction, and a triangular tongue, its capabilities range from maximum subsoil breaking power to brush clearing and land management. With different roller offsets, the Tandem can go from no-till to tillage as needed. The Box Loader's X-Trem loaders multiple applications, making it an indispensable tool for your organization, whether you're moving, grounding, lifting, or double stacking. The technique boasts an unmatched 44-ton capacity at any position, and it offers the longest reach on the market with a 55.1 inches of clearance between a fully loaded container and the chassis rail. The forklift can lift the heaviest containers, even those that are poorly positioned or with unevenly distributed loads inside. Double extension stabilizers give it impressive stability, allowing it to work on soft or uneven ground. Dry suction excavators. These trucks can handle any material that needs to be moved. Eliminating costly and heavy loads, a suction excavator uses air to loosen materials, and a staggering 24,000 cubic feet per minute to remove it. A rubber digging tube ensures safe digging, and all these features combined with the side discharge system allows for on-site unloading, allowing this powerful dump truck to work on-site all day long. Imagine having the opportunity to transform your huge excavators into true giants of ground moving. Sutton makes this possible by offering special equipment that will give machines the power to dig deeper than ever before. We're talking about technology for excavators ranging from 30 to 200 tons that not only increases digging depth to a breathtaking 6.5 feet, but also provides power you could only dream of before. Together with Sutton, any such excavator can literally transform the surrounding landscape, getting the job done faster and more efficiently. Better equipment design also means less maintenance costs and less frequent breakdowns. Let's take a look at the SCAV-MEC BMF 12T2 Pro 750, a true giant in the world of logging. This machine is like the logging truck of the future, capable of hauling loads of up to 13 tons. Think about it, that's like loading the weight of over 2 large elephants on it. With a length of almost 22 feet, it seems to spread its powerful wings. But the real highlight is the BMF 750 crane, which stretches up to 24.6 feet and can lift a huge weight over a distance as easily as if playing with it. A machine like this is not just transportation, but a true symbol of strength that will change the way you think about working in the woods. Cleaning the truck at the manned sign-in station prevents wood debris from falling onto the road and thus increases traffic safety. Thanks to automation, the driver also does not have to climb onto the roof of the truck to clean the platform with a brush. The system also makes it easier to clean the surrounding area. Thanks to the manned sign-in cleaning station, truck turnover times are reduced because it is the automated equipment that does the cleaning. The truck passes directly through the station when leaving. In order to save energy, the fans only run when needed, but during peak hours they can also be switched to continuous mode. The wood residues can later be used for incineration. Meet an innovation in firewood harvesting, the mounted wood splitter for mini excavators. It's not just an addition to your machine, it is a revolutionary tool that will bring pleasure from every split log. With it, you will forget about hard work and tiring hours of work, because its efficiency and maneuverability make the process of cutting firewood fast and easy. No matter how large the log you have, the wood splitter will handle it instantly, leaving behind only perfectly split firewood. It's worth remembering the 1980s when the Difco turf cutter first burst onto the scene, revolutionizing the world of peat extraction and changing the landscape of manual labor forever. This ingenious attachable turf cutter ushered in a new era, delivering high efficiency with a 9 to 11 tons per hour output. Imagine a leap forward from debilitating manual labor. With a choice of cutting blades adapted to different peatland depths, from shallow to premium black peat, the Difco turf cutter provides the perfect fit for any customer's needs. Not to mention the hydraulic pressure relief valve and chain protection, which ensures that even unexpected obstacles won't be a problem. It's not just a machine, it's a revolution in peat production. The DAF 225X is an industrial-strength forest crop cutting and mulching system that can be mounted on most compact loaders or other specialized forestry machines. DAF brush cutters and mulchers are designed for vegetation control. Protective rings that limit the size of the bites significantly reduce the risk of blade holders breaking. Heat-treated, bolted forged knives that provide maximum resistance to impact and abrasion can be sharpened directly on the unit. The technique has a hydraulic pusher option, which is particularly useful when dealing with older trees, as it is a reliable way of indicating where larger trees will fall when they are felled. The R9800 mining excavators combines adaptability with high productivity. Depending on customer preference, this machine model is available with a Cummins or Liebherr diesel engine. An electro-hydraulic version of the excavator is also available. When paired with a T264, T274, or T284 dump truck, the R9800 is a cost-effective and highly efficient solution for various large-scale mining projects. The C815S wheeled dump truck proves that efficient operation, cross-country mobility, travel comfort, and safety are perfectly matched. The machine handles all of its daily tasks with confidence. Bergman provides the operator with optimum conditions for concentrated work. The optional rotating operator stand provides a better view both forward and backward, and the interior of the air-conditioned driver's cab inspires with high-quality equipment. The TurboSaw RS Model 3400 is a true warrior in the world of commercial land management, offering professionals unparalleled versatility and power. With its unique dual-axis boom that not only twists on its axis, but also bends to create a 5-foot arc and rotates 90 degrees from horizontal to vertical, you have control at a level of surgical precision. Forget hard work and dangerous handling. With the TurboSaw RS, you can fearlessly attack trees near the ground, carefully prune branches, or split crowns apart right from the cab of your mini-loader. Because with the multifunctional cutting disc, even the toughest stumps can be cut down without a trace. The Overrossen UTV 445 UTV 550 Performance Line snowplow has been designed for high performance and economy. The snowplows are ideal for working on the most difficult mountain passes, clearing snowdrifts and widening roads. Thanks to their 2-stage snow removal system, these machines are capable of clearing any type of snow in all weather conditions. The machine has the main advantages of compact and powerful design, high clearing capacity, good spreading performance, economy, and operational flexibility. The snowplow is designed to be used in combination with front loaders, with a total capacity of 20 to 25 tons. The Spark 3 trawl, based on the HMM WV, is designed to clear the paths of military convoys of explosive hazards. It consists of 3 roller sections, 4 in the outermost section, and 6 in the center section. They provide contact with the surface, causing explosive objects to detonate as a result of the trawl's actions. The hydraulic suspension allows travel speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, but the adaptive device through the use of hydraulic and air suspension ensures continuous surface contact. The rollers are made of an explosion-proof polyurethane compound, which increases the trawl's survivability. Experience and test prove that the trawl can withstand an explosion of 26 pounds of TNT equivalent explosives. This video shows Pollock's new 12-line ESS modular platform ESS trailer, used in a 2x4x8 beam configuration with beams. You can see how well the trailer behaves on the road, and how its features can be used to improve your operation. And it's all thanks to ESS, an electronic steering system that will allow you to steer all axles at the same time. It is designed to provide the optimum axle steering angle according to the length or width of the trailer. The steering can be remotely controlled to increase the steering angle on tight corners or on the ground. The TG7000 hopper shredder is a combination of the latest technology and power, designed to handle large-scale land clearing and recycling of organic and wood waste. Vermeer's duplex drum minimizes maintenance work. Among the biggest pluses is the patented system with 10 hammers and 20 dual-bolt cutting heads that was utilized to build the equipment. The optional cab and the gripper loader makes this model a one-man operation. This greatly reduces labor costs and increases productivity. As a professional construction hoist manufacturer, SYM Hoist and Tower Crane Equipment Company, Limited, is committed to providing the most complete, reliable, and valuable lifting solutions for every customer. That's why they created the XCA 600 all-terrain crane, which has a main boom length of 344 feet, and its performance is several times higher than products of the same tonnage class. This all-terrain crane is highly adaptable and can be used even in major wind turbine maintenance projects. The whole machine can carry the main boom, superlift, and heavy load transition, and can also pass through lower culverts, which is more suitable for urban construction. You see the All-Cons EC6000 series combination machine. This oversized unit is a bucket chain trimmer and pivot liner combined into one machine, with the ability to excavate and pave asphalt at the same time. It can be used to perform precise and high-volume channel lining to reduce concrete loss as well as continuous lining of canal and river beds. This mobile working platform with diesel-electric generator for decentralized power supply is more precise than standard excavators. You see the PT300 D-Mine tracked demining vehicle. It is equipped with a rotor with fixed tines or whips and can effectively clear anti-personnel and anti-tank mines at speeds of up to 4 miles per hour. It uses a rocker undercarriage, which provides excellent cushioning on the terrain. The machine is equipped with a powerful Caterpillar diesel engine for 302 horsepower and is able to work on climbs up to 45 degrees and slopes steeper than 35 degrees. The remote-controlled PT300 D-Mine can also be equipped with other hydraulic attachments, such as a milling machine, stump grinders, and others. The Faymonville Float Max is a versatile inloader type semi-trailer for glass transportation. Partially metallized as standard, the Float Max semi-trailer, mounted on 3 axles and equipped with a reliable glass securing system, is highly resistant when transporting heavy sheet glass on pyramids. It features a high payload, a one-piece longitudinal chassis beam for maximum stability, sophisticated aerodynamics, and optional load distribution. The Faymonville Float Max also has a stronger connection between the chassis frame and support channel, especially on all axles. You know what they say about the Dyno DC420RI? That it is absolute excellence without compromise. What you see is a maneuverable performing drilling machine that sets new standards in the industry. Capable of drilling holes from 2 to 3 inches in diameter, this all-terrain machine combines stability, mobility, and productivity to go beyond the ordinary and reach new heights for those who are not willing to compromise and strive for excellence in every project. The LR1500 crawler crane is a simple, powerful, and compact unit for any construction site. Thanks to the main lifting mechanism, it is possible to move the crane with a lifted load up to a maximum lifting capacity of 500 tons. At the same time, the dimensions of this cool machine are quite compact, like a 400-ton crane. All parts weigh up to 45 tons and are no more than 9.8 feet wide, which means there are no limitations to transporting this crawler monster around the world. Thanks to the matching counterweight cart, it can move right along with the load on the hook without any problems. Another big plus is the quickly installed center ballast made of several concrete elements. The upper part forms a secure platform for the counterweight cart. Bobcat Sand Cleaner, on the loader of the same name, is an attachment that helps the operator quickly and easily clear the working surface of debris and small objects. Its installation is carried out with the patented system, BobTac, which provides a safe and secure attachment of the device on the base machine. Thanks to this technique, the operator quickly and efficiently sifts sand and cleans it from various small debris, bottle caps, glass shards, woods, as well as cans, stones, plastic bags, syringes, algae, and other debris. The working width of the attachment is 1900 millimeters. The depth is up to 200 millimeters, and the bucket capacity is 350 liters. The cleaning area is up to 15,000 meters squared per hour. High productivity is complemented by the possibility of unloading from a height by lifting levers on the loader, which allows easy dumping of garbage into a dump truck. Let's talk about the new self-propelled telescopic elevator Zoom Lion model, ZT68J. You've got to admit, it looks pretty good, right? Its maximum working height is 221 feet. This model and its technical capabilities surpasses even the performance of the previous record holder, Snorkel 2100. Special mention should be made of the new outrigger extension system. Its leading elements are hydraulic cylinders located inside the boom. When the system is started, 3 attachment points effectively extend and retract the outriggers. The polygonal boom has superseded the traditional rectangular version, which is also a technical innovation. The main boom of the elevator consists of 4 sections and transitions into a long 2-section articulated boom with an operating range of 125 degrees. The Fractum Hammer, Model 100, is powered by a Volvo 380 excavator. The impact energy of this hammer is so great that the rock cannot absorb it. The Fractum doesn't even penetrate the rock, it only strikes the surface of the rock, and that's enough for effective crushing. Its braking principle is more like that of a conventional hammer, where a strong metal rod moving in a casing is simply lifted upwards and then falls on the material with tremendous force, causing it to sort of splinter. In this way, so much impact energy is applied to a small area that the material is unable to absorb it, and as a result, it simply disintegrates. There is also no need to transport large boulders that need to be broken up, because the excavator with the Fractum Model 100 mounted on it can drive itself to each individual stone. You are looking at a multi-1 screening bucket for topsoil, waste, turf, roots, and compost, with a large screening area that delivers fantastic performance. Screening buckets are used for the initial screening, sorting, and separation of natural materials, both before and after the crushing stage. This sieving bucket is a multifunctional tool ideal for separating materials such as topsoil, demolition and construction waste, lawn, roots, and compost. The XC7000 is the largest tonnage mining excavator independently developed by XCMG to meet the requirements of large-scale mining construction. The excavator is equipped with intelligent fault monitoring and self-diagnosis system, centralized fire extinguishing system, as well as lubrication system and a variety of safety equipment to ensure the safe and efficient operation of the whole machine. And what's more, you can count on easy operation and convenient machine maintenance. Depending on the mining design, the machine can flexibly choose between 2 power options, diesel engine or motorized engine, and 2 operating modes. The Panther T14R rotary dump truck offers the highest speed combined with high payload in its class and sets new standards for productivity and mobility. Introducing a patented innovation called directional reset, which essentially allows the operator to reset the upper and lower vehicle alignment, front and back, with the simple push of a button. The Panoth rotary hauler provides continuous rotation of the top of the machine. With a payload capacity of 29,100 pounds, this carrier has the largest payload of any vehicle of this type in its category. The rotating separation of this vehicle allows the operator to work in tight, sensitive areas where other equipment does not have access. The patented Eagle Punch Cutter 2 is portable and designed to split off-road tires, OTR, in 2 halves by cutting through the center of the tread. It can handle various tire sizes, from 39-inch rim size and 37-inch tread width, up to and including 63-inch rim size and 70-inch tread width. A blade is used to punch the tire, while a programmable logic controller, PLC, controls the tire rotation and the punching process, allowing the operator to set up the machine, press the start button, and run it. Mechanical removal is a highly effective method of controlling aquatic weeds. The weeding machine physically removes all plants, including the roots, so weeds cannot regrow. This makes it a long-term solution that gets rid of problems caused by aquatic weeds. Unlike chemical treatments that can kill beneficial aquatic species, mechanical removal only affects the targeted weeds and leaves the rest of the ecosystem intact. This mechanical removal can be tailored to the specific needs of each individual water body. This is what the ideal attachable scrap shears for lightweight mini excavators look like. F200C cutter for excavators in the 15 to 18Q range, depending on the machine capacity. These narrow-shaped hydraulic shears are ideal for cables, ropes, and pipes. They can be used for cutting reinforced cables up to 8 inches in diameter, cutting steel profiles, car bodies, cable ducts, power poles, etc. A 360-degree hydraulic rotation function is also included. In northern Thailand's Lampang province, ITD is deploying ThyssenKrupp's advanced Barracuda rotary excavators at the Mamo mine, 372 miles from Bangkok. These excavators can handle up to 18,000 tons of overburden per hour, ensuring continuous and efficient coal mining. This state-of-the-art equipment not only reduces operating costs and harmful emissions, but also eliminates the need for blasting and separate loading operations, making mining safer and more environmentally friendly. ITD thereby raises standards in the mining industry, greatly reducing environmental impact and increasing productivity. The Cenoboggan Model A25E is a new generation forklift with a maximum outreach of 46 feet and a powerful 129 kilowatt diesel engine that is optimally suited for various sorting and unloading tasks in warehouses and construction sites. Thanks to its mobile undercarriage with 4-point outriggers, the loader can quickly move from A to B while remaining safe and in place during operation. The loader is equipped with the original Cenoboggan SGM multi-hull grapple, with a capacity of 600 to 800 liters and 5 grapple cups. The combination of machine and grapple provides optimum actuation for particularly delicate work and optimum machine adjustment, enabling it to deliver maximum productivity day in and day out. Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment, and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, the robot reviews blueprints of the house, and then creates a 3D model and plans its construction. The machine itself determines which bricks need to be cut and where those scraps can be reused, reducing waste. Glue is then applied to the bricks and put in place by a robot arm, guided by a laser. Hadrian X can lay bricks for a medium-sized country house in 2 days. Menzimuck Excavator Model M545 is a unique technique built on a high-tech chassis and a special boom capable of performing work of any complexity. The presence of hydraulic cylinders allows optimizing transport on different types of soil. Thanks to its unique designs, the 9.5-ton machine produces power that can be compared with a classic 20-ton crawler excavator. It is safe to say that the M545 is a truly versatile machine with a proven boom, reliable chassis, hydraulic hose system, panoramic cab, and a wide range of attachments. KGHM Zanum has completed another export delivery of a powerful loader, LKP 0703. The machine was ordered by a contractor from Germany and is designed to meet all its needs. Firstly, the loader is equipped with a remote control system, which allows performance tasks even in the most difficult conditions of modern mines. It is also the first remote-controlled machine delivered to a mine and is operating in the demanding and limited German market. The West Bundle Sage is a special firewood saw, and here's how it works. If an area is filled with wood, a so-called clamp is used to hold the logs in place. A tractor with 70 horsepower or more can be used to bring the filled firewood saw to where it ultimately needs to be cut. At the push of a button, the saw, whose teeth are only 0.04 inches thick, starts up and chews through the wood from bottom to top, which is automatically cut to the desired length. The ejector transports the remaining wood in the box to a stack of previously sawn logs. The firewood saw takes about 4 minutes to cut 1 metric piece of wood into 13-inch pieces. The Cinnaboggan 640E duty cycle crane has been specially designed for particularly demanding and dynamic work with a wide range of attachments. Thanks to its robust design, the strengths of the 40-ton machine really come into play when building special foundations. Whether it is used with a leader, rope grab, or hydraulic casing machine, the multi-circuit hydraulic system and powerful swing drive of the duty cycle crane mean that its capabilities are unlimited. This equipment can be used for logistical tasks and various construction jobs, all thanks to its mobile undercarriage with a 69-foot-long lattice boom. The NS Series Crawler Scissor Elevator is lightweight and equipped with rubber tracks for smooth, fast, and safe travel in difficult road conditions. The machine runs on standard AC mains power, has zero emissions, and is environmentally friendly. The steel crawler design is particularly strong in adapting to the environment. It can be used in the field even without a power supply. The hydraulic lifting platform utilizes a weighted chassis and does not require supporting legs when working. The equipment can walk even when the platform is raised, which greatly improves work efficiency. Transporting an 80-ton Cat 990 wheel loader, 17.7 feet wide and 14.7 meters high, from the Netherlands to Denmark is quite a challenge, wouldn't you agree? But the 7-axle Brochus trailer was designed for just such a task. This powerful machine did its job effectively in transporting such an oversized load. Its sturdy steel construction withstands heavy loads without affecting the quality of work. What is there to say? You can see for yourself. The Stark Sweeper is designed for efficient and environmentally friendly cleaning of roads, streets, and yards. The Model T Sweeper is designed for smaller base machines such as property maintenance vehicles. The low design and 27.5-inch wide blades provide a good view of the area being swept. The low design of the Stark Model T Sweeper improves visibility in the sweeping area and increases operational safety. When sweeping, the machine moves on support wheels, which means the blades last a long time. The height of the movable main brush can be adjusted, and the speed of the brushes can be infinitely adjusted. The Kaiser S8 Allroad is a truly unique walking excavator that defines a new performance class of such mobile machines: robust, maneuverable, and highly efficient. With maximum adjustability, the undercarriage provides the proven high stability that is the hallmark of all Kaiser mobile walking excavators. Entirely new in this weight category is the optional Rotoline system. The S8 Allroad technology is based on the latest S12 generation and complements perfectly the Kaiser range. You see a universal finishing machine on a wheel chassis UDS 232, which has excellent mobility and the ability to move both on the road and in the field. Such technique is suitable for precise finishing earthworks and final modifications of building contract with the surrounding terrain. A wide range of additional attachments allows the machine to be used for various purposes. It has a wheel chassis and is suitable for forestry work, as you can see on the screens, as well as in mining, oil industry, or finishing earthworks. If you are looking for the perfect crane mat paving machine, here it is in front of you. It is fast, powerful, stable, and efficient. It is the perfect all-in-one machine. You can easily transport, install, remove, and pave concrete mats more efficiently and faster than any other machine on the market. As standard, the Timber Pro is equipped with a continuous cab rotation system. This allows the operator to operate the machine without the need for unnecessary maneuvering. Such machines have also proven their effectiveness in other areas, such as logging operations, for example. Are you already familiar with the Cat M323F two-way excavator? It can be used as a two-way machine on the road or on the track. The highlight of the machine is the hydrostatic rail-wheel drive. During track operation, there is no contact between the rubber wheel and the rail, so the operator can move the machine along the track without paying attention to the track infrastructure. Its short tail section and associated maneuverability make it particularly suited for working on embankments, noise barriers, overhead line masts, etc. At 5.12 feet long, this excavator fits into any tunnel and can also be used on narrow construction sites. With a counterweight of 7.5 tons, it still provides very high side loads. Dramas, which specializes in the production of multi-axle mining trucks, has introduced a new 3-link tipping road train model, D150T. The tractor is a Kenworth T500 chassis with 2 front steerable axles and a rear drive bogie trident. Under the hood of the tractor is a diesel engine with an output of 605 horsepower, which is equipped with an automatic hydromechanical transmission in 2 3-axle semi-trailers, the capacity of the body unloaded to the side of each of which is 40 cubic meters. 11-axle road train can carry up to 150 metric tons of cargo. This machine will find applications in the transportation of gold ore and other heavy materials. ABI recently presented the new TP470 Vario, a power split infinitely variable drive machine. The vehicle is equipped with a VM turbo engine with an output of 136 horsepower. The new technique is developed based on the flagship model VT450, but was completely structurally rebuilt. The brand management assures that with a total weight of 10 tons depending on the wheelbase, the new van not only has about 20% more power, but also 5% more payload than the previous top model. In addition, the vehicle has an entirely new front-end design, and is now ready for the widest range of agricultural work at any time of year. Velarde in UOS 155 version with demining device is a hydraulically operated vehicle designed for engineering and decontamination works, neutralization of anti-personnel and anti-tank mines by percussion chain system to a depth of up to 7.9 inches. This model is designed as a self-propelled vehicle on the chassis of the T55A tank, and the crew consists of 2 persons. an engineer, and a driver. The speed of this vehicle in the field is 6.2 miles per hour, and on the highway is 18.6 miles per hour. The Overrossen UTV 445 UTV 550 Performance Line snowplow has been designed for high performance and economy. The snowplows are ideal for working on the most difficult mountain passes, clearing snowdrifts and widening roads. Thanks to their two-stage snow removal system, these machines are capable of clearing any type of snow in all weather conditions. The machine has the main advantages of compact and powerful design, high clearing capacity, good spreading performance, economy, and operational flexibility. The snowplow is designed to be used in combination with front loaders, with a total capacity of 20 to 25 tons. Cleaning the truck at the Mansinon station prevents wood debris from falling onto the road and thus increases traffic safety. Thanks to automation, the driver also does not have to climb onto the roof of the truck to clean the platform with a brush. The system also makes it easier to clean the surrounding area. Thanks to the Mansinon cleaning station, truck turnover times are reduced because it is the automated equipment that does the cleaning. The truck passes directly through the station when leaving. In order to save energy, the fans only run when needed, but during peak hours they can also be switched to continuous mode. The wood residues can later be used for incineration. To increase the efficiency of the export terminal, Galoo has launched the Mansinon 160M loading and unloading machine. This productive machine offers increased flexibility and efficiency. Unloading is now much faster, allowing for faster vessel turnaround. The main role of the Mansinon material handler is to unload barges quickly and easily, and another is to store scrap metal until the ship arrives. With this technique, it is possible to unload, for example, not 2 barges, but 4. Stacking scrap metal has also become much easier, and the Mansinon harbor crane has replaced at least 2 conventional cranes. In addition to efficiency and flexibility, the user-friendliness of the Mansinon loading and unloading machine can also be safely emphasized. The Cat amphibious excavator is one of the newer models in its class, which can be categorized as a range of trenching equipment. You are looking at a heavy construction machine that can be used for coastal trenching, loading and unloading, pile driving, and demolition work. The undercarriage of this amphibious excavator is specially designed to maneuver in harsh environments, such as swamps, inland lakes, and shallow waters where a normal standard excavator simply can't reach. In addition, this model comes with both a standard short reach handle and a 46-foot long heavy-duty handle, allowing it to be adapted to the job site. Etnire's extendable Black Hawk trailers transform the concept of efficiency in transportation. Thanks to a unique hydraulic system, they extend up to 26 feet, doubling their length without requiring extra effort. Capable of supporting 35 to 65 tons, they are ideal for transporting heavy equipment. Their low-profile design ensures stability and safety, making these modern trailers indispensable for various applications. You see the Lakesheen Screed Saver Max Plus in action, demonstrated by the Lakesheen Tag Team. Watch as this miracle machine transforms complex construction tasks into simple processes with perfect results. With advanced laser-level technology and unprecedented precision, the Screed Saver Max Plus paves concrete so that every square yard becomes a model of perfect pavement. Forget about difficulties and mistakes. Now, with Lakesheen, everything in your hands becomes easier and more efficient. Friends, you see a Powfinger Van Forklift, your new best partner in delivery. This versatile forklift can be ready for action in just 30 seconds, ideal for dynamic logistics operations. Its excellence lies in its ability to adapt to any terrain conditions, ensuring that every delivery is made without compromising on accuracy and speed. Integrated into the design, a compact storage box under the loading dock allows for optimal use of space, while quick deployment ensures maximum productivity every working day. And this machine can also be used on sea beaches and sandy riverbanks. The machine does an excellent job of collecting cigarette butts, small pieces of glass, plastic bottles, corn cobs, coconut shavings, plastic bags, pieces of paper, and seaweed with debris thrown ashore. Friends, meet the Pious Hulk, revolutionary sewer cleaning equipment mounted on MAN TGM 15.250 4x2 Euro 6 chassis. It provides utilities with a powerful tool that can tackle any kind of sewer contamination. Thanks to its innovative design and the use of advanced technology, Pious Hulk sets new standards in cleaning, providing not only the highest performance, but also maximum reliability in operation. This equipment is designed for those who do not recognize compromises in quality and efficiency. The 815S wheeled dump truck proves that efficient operation, cross-country mobility, travel comfort, and safety are perfectly matched. The machine handles all of its daily tasks with confidence. Bergman provides the operator with optimum conditions for concentrated work. The optional rotating operator stand provides a better view both forward and backward, and the interior of the air-conditioned driver's cab inspires with high-quality equipment. This striking-looking 350-horsepower self-driving truck combines a 30-ton dump truck and a trailer with an extended chassis. In addition to the monster under the hood, the Larrington Chaser has 8 750 50 by 30.5 wheels and a tread pattern that quickly clears mud from the tires. The company's goal was to keep the weight of the truck as low as possible while maintaining strength and improving smoothness. Therefore, the chassis was redesigned with air suspension axles, and a third steer axle was added to the rear of the trailer. A 20-ton ejector housing was added, which allows the trailer to pivot at the front and unload the load into a truck or trailer parked on the road or headland. The Schwing-Stetter concrete pump model S38SX Raptor is a true master of efficiency. Its economical engine with a speed of just over 1,000 RPM, even with high pumping power and the legendary robustness of the low-wear rock concrete valve result in unrivaled low operating and maintenance expenses. The innovative Raptor boom combines exceptionally large boom opening angles with an easy-to-use roller folding mechanism, and thus offers unique mobility during use. Popular Sleipner offers a complete solution for mobilizing crawler equipment. The Sleipner E-Series is designed to move excavators, and the Sleipner DB Series is designed to move rigs, dozers, and other tracked equipment. You can see what they look and work like on your screens as the company's 2022 product line is presented. You see the Volvo EW 160B with Tilto Trader and Ends-Con Sweeper. This detachable Ends-Con Sweeper makes your excavator even more versatile. You can rest assured. It can be converted with a single handle and can also be adapted and used as a wide sweeping bucket in combination with a planing bucket. You can also adapt the sweeper as a narrow cable brush. The sweeper is very versatile. Its width can be adjusted to suit the job at hand, from cable sweeping to sweeping large areas. This reduces the need for manual labor and makes the workplace safer. Steer always makes sure that their machine combinations are optimally matched to each other. That this has again been achieved can be seen in the combination of a trencher with a paving attachment attached to the Fendt Vario 211P. With this innovative Steer invention, narrow pipe trenches are milled in and underground under asphalt or soil, mainly in urban areas. After laying the pipes in the trench, the road surface or soil is backfilled and compacted with the Steer compressor wheel. Thank you for watching Mega Technology.